Coral City is safe and sparkling, just how I like it. Another perfect bouncy landing! Did anyone see that? Gotta keep the speed line looking absolutely fantastic! Let's get this party bouncing! Confetti for everyone! These blooms need just a little more purple sparkle.
Stop bouncing away, little bubbles!
The vortex stirs. My moment is approaching. Incredible! That's a Category 5 Inknado. Time to put these speed lines to the test. Whoa! That's a lot of ink, not very disco. Looks like we've got some heavy lifting to do. Ink is just a messy form of purple smoke, really. Must resist urge to sting the scary cloud.
The disturbance is significant. I must investigate.
Team, we need a counterforce! A spin reversal! A reverse spin? Like a massive brake check? I know a guy who loves a reverse spin. Me! Make way for the rescue team, little fishies! Off you go, little ones. Find a happy place. I may be menacing, but this ink is just rude. Ready for the ultimate reverse spin chaos! Let's clean this mess up, Mudbud King! It's a little darker than my usual disco. Spinning up the counterforce. Faster, faster! Disco spin engaged. Reverse! Reverse! The counterspin is creating serious reverse torque. If they need stability, they need a giant monster truck. Stay calm, everyone. The chaos will soon turn to order. Nothing escapes the Sting's watch. This chaotic energy, it is magnificent. High five! Wait, reverse spin high five. Keep the power on! The ink is receding! The wobble confirms it. They've broken its core integrity. Stabilizing force engage. Bounce. Reverse spin was a total splat success. Outstanding! You two saved the city's sparkle. A reverse spin that chaotic deserves a clean reward. Teamwork makes the bounce work. Was only slightly less menacing than me.
Intriguing. The power of cooperation.
Ready for our victory spin? Always! Maximum Disco Sparkle Lift! This calls for a full power spotlight! Time to shake the chaos off! Woo. A small memento for the mess that once was.
See? I can do cute too! Don't tell anyone!
Best reverse spin partner ever! Woo. Team VEO3 is the best! Mission accomplished! One more victory lap! Whoosh! Victory party starts now! VO3! Wait! The main vortex is still spilling! Uh-oh! My speedometer says, danger high velocity! The current is still all messy. Containment protocols are still in effect. Sparkly fire is the only way to purify this mess! The anomaly persists! I must intercede! We need a continuous spin. A full, non-stop chaos reversal. You ready for a full tilt disco spin? Born ready! Maximum speed! No holding back! Whip it! Whip it! Reverse spin style. Adding the jet assist! Full power! ink splats! A true foundation is essential to chaos reversal. Toxic alert! Deploying sparkle venom! Your chaos is inefficient! Out of my way! Not today, Shark Car! Have a bubble tap! I can feel the total spin taking effect. We've got the counter momentum. Hold the spin!
Tiny, bouncing annoyances.
Incoming reef! Crusher's got this! Order returns! The garden is replanted! Web traps are better than stingers for cleanup. The reverse spin is stable. Prepare for the washout. Full power! Let's make this a clean sweep. Tornado terminated! Mission success with style! I need a disco nap after that much spinning! Heroes, both of you! An epic counter! Onward to the victory party! Hop aboard! Victory is always worth a little glitter. Must master the reverse spin for future menacing!
Perhaps I could benefit from a spinning ally.
Sing out, little fishies! Sing the disco anthem! That flip was perfect! Speed and grace! I'm so proud! My whole body is bouncing! Time for the hero shades! A small offering of gothic cheer.
Too much sparkle! I'm temporarily cute!
We're the bounciest heroes in the sea! This is the best part of the job. Feel the disco light power! Lightning show on point! A bubble salute for the champions! A small bloom to commemorate the great pop. Perhaps this is not so inefficient after all. Remember, little one, bounce back from everything! the rainbow glow! Party time! We totally made a bubbly bang! Ink contained. Good clean work, team! A whip out of the worst kind, Gravedigger!
That was actually a really nice spectacle.
Nothing beats a little reverse spin with my buddy! We are the bounciest!